as many as 10, 11 Gs either way. So up he goes now, and around he goes. At the top it gets mushy, and the energy bleeds off. On the way down, the speed builds back up, and he at times will exceed in the Lucas Oil Pit Special. Mike Wiskus. Like many airshow pilots, Mike's passion for aviation started when he was very young, when his dad took him to his first air show at their hometown in Iowa at the age of 10. That show made an everlasting impression so deep that at 14, Mike rode his bike to the airport for 2 weeks straight, bugging the owner for his job, washing airplanes, cleaning hangars, just to be around airplanes. But at school, it's falling, not flying. He's found a nice hole in the sky there to be able to do it. So around he goes, he's got to get the nose down. He's got to stop the spin, and then he's got to get the angle of attack right so the wings give him lift. And it's still not connected. Right about now, he's connecting. There it is. The wings are giving him lift. Please welcome from right here in Minnesota.